Hello and welcome back to our page, guys. We will make the colorful trees. Cut out the bubble wrap sheet in round shape and stick it. Color it using green, yellow, pink, blue and orange color. After that, using white color, we will make it shrunk. I hope you are enjoying it. After that, we will sprinkle white color using the paintbrush and it's ready. Next, we will make the tortoise using the bubble wrap sheet. Stick it and color it using green and red color. Now using the paintbrush, draw their head, legs and then we will draw some plants around them. Stick its eyes, draw the bubbles around them and your tortoise are ready. Enjoy! Next, we will make a red and green color apple. Stick the bubble wrap sheet and color it using red and green color. Then, using the brown color, we will draw the branches of the tree, draw the leaves, and your apples are ready. Next, we will make the hot air balloons. Take the bubble wrap sheet and color it using red, yellow, green color. Using fruit foam net, make its boxes, draw the lines, and it's ready. Thanks for watching.